Hello guys, welcome back to App. For today's video, here we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Monster Hunter Worlds crashing on PC. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with Monster Hunter Worlds here and it's crashing, or you can just play the game, well, there are going to be a few things that you could check and you could do here to basically solve this problem. So the first thing that you want to take in consideration is you want to know if your PC actually matches or currently has this system requirements or recommended system requirements. So in this case, first is you want to go ahead and visit the whatever page for Monster Hunter you're accessing right now. So currently I'm accessing the Steam store here. So typically speaking, for minimum requirements here, you need to use at least an Intel Core i5 10400 or Intel Core i3 12100 or AMD Ryzen 5 3600. So either of those are requirements here. Now, in this case, you want to make sure that anything or your PC actually matches or has the minimum requirements here. Now, mostly since the game is fairly new, it's not that optimized yet. So in this case, although if you meet the minimum requirements, sometimes it might not work properly, or it may even look like a PSV game. So which in this case, you may need to upgrade your PC and maybe at least meet the recommended requirements here. Now, also another thing that you might want to do here is you want to make sure that you install Monster Hunter into an SSD. Now, SSD is actually a lot faster than your typical storage system or an HDD. So in this case, you want to go and switch over to an SSD and see if that actually helps with the game itself. But typically speaking, I would just suggest you to upgrade your PC if you don't meet the at least the recommended requirements here. Now, another thing that you might want to do here is you want to check if there are any updates on your GPU. So you want to open up the software that you've installed for your GPU, and you want to go to drivers, and you want to make sure that you download the latest driver for it. Now, since again the game is, or Monster Hunter Wilds here is pretty new, so your GPU might release some update that you could use or at least optimize the game itself, because most likely they may have released an update to basically accommodate Monster Hunter Worlds here. So go ahead and update that and see if that actually helps. Now, if you do meet the recommended requirements here, we also need to take into consideration the apps that you're currently using. So for example, if you have multiple browsers currently open in your PC and you're trying to play Monster Hunter, well, in this case, that would actually not an ideal thing that you could do here, especially if you just meet the minimum or recommended requirements here. So typically speaking here, so I'm going to open up my task manager here. You could also access this by pressing Ctrl+Shift+Escape on your keyboard. But in here, what you could do is you want to make sure that you're not running multiple browsers, or you're not running any browsers here, because running multiple browsers or a browser here, technically speaking, use a lot of memory and also process that you may be able to use for Monster Hunter instead of the browser. So in this case, close any apps that you're not using right now. Now, also another thing that you need to take note here, when you have your PC opened up for a very long time, like for example, you haven't turned off your PC or your laptop in a week, well, in this case, that could actually cause problems with your PC. So try restarting your PC, close any apps that you're not using, and start running the game. And also, the final thing that I would recommend you try doing here is you may want to reduce the quality of the game itself. So if you want to run this in, for example, in high resolution or high quality, well, in this case, if you're having, like, for example, it's shutting down, crashing, you may want to put it a step down, like maybe switch to a medium quality and maybe turn off frame generation and see if that helps. Now, again, the game is not yet optimized, so we need to do anything that we could do here to basically make it run so that you can hunt monsters. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to App. Thank you for watching.